This is multi-span butterfly top ventilation greenhouse. The size of the greenhouse is 24 times 20 meters. One span is 8 meters. The shoulder height is 3 meters. The top height is 5 meters. The covering material can be PO film or PE film, which can be recommended according to the actual situation of customers. This video uses PO film. The color is light blue, 6 years lifespan. For planting vegetables and fruits have a certain growth effect. There is gutter on each span. There is a foyer at the front covered PO film. The door is sliding, and the inner door is equipped with an insect net to prevent mosquitoes from entering. There are side ventilation systems on both sides of the greenhouse, equipped with an insect net to prevent mosquitoes from entering. Customers can customize manual or electric film rolling system. There are top ventilation systems on the top of greenhouse. The top window is equipped with a folding insect-proof net, which opens and closes with the windows to prevent the invasion of pests and reduce the occurrence of pests and diseases. There are negative pressure fans in the greenhouse, which are used to extract the air in the greenhouse. The air passes through the front and rear wet curtains to achieve the cooling effect, and the combination of the two can effectively adjust the temperature. The circulating fans in the middle to promote air circulation in the greenhouse.